Hello, today we will learn how to use the Oxford Art Online database. You will first navigate to the library's main page. From there you will find library resources, and we're going to search by research databases. You're going to click browse, and we're on the research databases page. We're going to scroll to the O's and find Oxford Art Online. Click that plus sign, and we're going to click Start Now. If you're in the library, you will always be automatically signed in to Oxford Art Online. If you are at home, we will provide a login for you. Oxford Art Online offers access to the most authoritative, inclusive, and easily searchable online art resources available. Through a single gateway, users can access information regularly updated through Grove Dictionary of the Arts and the Binzit Dictionary of Artists. You may search by fields, medium, era, region, place type, and occupation. You may also decide to conduct an advanced search. So, today we want to search by occupation, so we're going to look up artist, architect, or designer, and we're going to click there. And when it opens up for us, it has information aggregated from all manner of artist, architect, or designer, but we want to look up someone in particular. We want to look up Theaster Gates. So I'm going to put in the name Theaster Gates, and then we're going to conduct our search, and there we have it. So there we have all the articles, information that is pulled and come back for us for Theaster Gates. And you can see that they are articles. You can also decide that you want to click on the Grove Art Online link, and it will share out more information about what they provide. And you will see that it is alphabetized. But for us, we want to go back, and we want to focus primarily on Theaster Gates, and we want to open this article, Chicago. And we're reading through it, and you're able to see if this article has the information that you're needing or looking for. Okay. Now, if it is not, you can always go back and you can find another resource. So let's look at this Binzit Dictionary of Artists, and we'll check out this article on Theaster Gates. All right, so it is telling you a little bit more about Theaster and his work. Okay, it's biographical. Perfect. Tells you about his group exhibitions, solo exhibitions, and it gives a bibliography. This is what I was looking for. So, you can decide whether you want to save this as a PDF, save it to a personal flash drive, you can cite it, and as always with these resources, you can sort by APA, MLA, or Chicago formats. You can decide that you want to email it to someone or yourself. And then finally, you may share it out via social media. So there you have it, Oxford Art Online, a fantastic resource. We hope you try it out. And as always, happy searching.